Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1203 at Meliá Kuala Lumpur. I would have done the introduction outside, but there's music playing in the hallway and I do not want to get any copyright strikes. So, outside the door you have the room number, and below the room number you have the doorbell. And this is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. That is the back of the door, with the floor plan. To the right, as you enter the room, you have a couple of light switches together with the makeup room and do not disturb switches. Here we have the bathroom. And inside the bathroom, to the right, we have the shower. It is a dual setup, so you have the rain shower as well as the handheld shower. In the middle, we have the sink area with a mirror. Hello. And to the left, we have the toilet. Towels are right up there. And we have a hook on the back of the door. On the door itself is another mirror. Hello. And right opposite the bathroom, we have the wardrobe. On this side, we have the ironing board with hangers and storage right above. And right here, we have drawers below, the in-room safe, and the iron. Okay, so that is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have the kettle, tea and coffee making stuff, bottles of water, glasses, and cups. An empty drawer. And below we have the fridge. It is empty as well, so you can put your own items inside. Okay, so here we have a place to put your luggage with storage below. Here we have the bed. This is fairly comfortable. On the right bedside table, we have a light switch together with a light, and if I recall correctly, it is an empty drawer, so you can put your items inside. Here we have the climate control panel. Here we have a flat screen Philips TV with the desk area off to the right of the TV. You have the chair, the bin, a desk light, another mirror. Hello. I believe that's the Wi-Fi thing, and you have a couple of power outlets. Now, for the left bedside table, we have another drawer together with the in-room telephone, writing materials, TV remote, more light switches, a power outlet, and a light right above. Here we have the sofa area with a table in the middle. Okay, so that is the view out of the window in the morning. You can see Berjaya Times Square opposite. You can see Lala Port in the distance. You can also see the road in front of the hotel. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1203 at Meliá Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for watching and goodbye.